गुड मॉर्निंग मुगे सगळे गोंयकारांक जावं ते क्रिस्तांव भाव भयण जावं ते हिंदू भाव भयण जावं ते मुस्लिम भाव भयण सगळे गोंयकारांक हांव देव बरी सास आवडयता। हांव आयज प्रेसा मुखार कितें आयला 25 तारखे जुलयाचे आमगेले क्रिस्तांव दोन माद्री भयणांक अरेस्ट केला छत्तीसगडांत। Two of our sisters, Sister Vandana Francis and Sister Preeti Mary, got arrested in Chhattisgarh at a railway station. They got arrested on a complaint of a Bajrang Dal member. My simple question is, why are Christian missionaries continuously being targeted across India? Why is the state machinery silent? And why is the Chhattisgarh state entire machinery attacking our Catholic brothers and sisters? My question once again is it a crime to pick someone from a railway station? Has our sisters, आमगे माद्री भाव भयणान कितें मर्डर केला, टेररिझम आहा हितून कितें? इतले व्हडले जुल्म, such a big tamasha, such cruelty against our minorities, against us Catholics in our own country. Why? Is my question. What have they done wrong? Nothing has been proven. Just because the center is with you all, the state machinery is with you all, that does not allow you all to take law in your own hands. I call on today to all the democratic voices, the civil society organizations and all political leaders, especially in my state of Goa, whether the leaders of the BJP party, the Aam Aadmi party, the Congress party, the Goa Forward party, the Revolutionary Goan party or all other parties, stand united, voice out. Goa assembly is going out. I एक देखून MLA हेजे उलयतो चोयल ना, कितें उलयनाय तुमी? आमगेले दोन माद्री भयण 9 दीस जाले जेलियाय, and through sources, through news that we are seeing on national television, it's very sad and shocking that they have been put on the floor to sleep. तांकां जमनीचे न्हिदोवपा लायलाय. They have a lot of health issues. केस एक कोर्टासून आतां दुसरी कोर्टा घायल्या. तेमकां आतां NIA कोर्टान तेमगे बेल हियरिंगा आयज. नॅशनल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन एजन्सी, अरे ते कोण ती आमगे भयण माद्री भयणांक इतले व्हडली कोर्टा व्हरपू कित्याक? I am requesting each and every Goan, each and every Indian, let's stand united as Indians, because India belongs to all, not just to those who shout the loudest or not just who hate the most. India is a secular country, a democratic country. We are all Indians. Later we are the Hindu, Catholic, Muslims, but first we are Indians. Why only the minority getting targeted? My request once again to the central government, to the Prime Minister, to the Home Minister, and as well as to every political leader, let's not make politics on this. I'm a very religious man, and for me to be in the open, in having freedom here, and then to see my own Catholic nuns in a 4x4 cell, who are made to sleep on the ground, on the floor, when they have such health issues, they are senior citizens. This is not right and this is not fair. Please, let's stand united. Let's not get divided by this hate politics, and let's pray for our both sisters. Hopefully today, by God's grace, they will get bail. Thank you.